Yes, hello everyone. So in the previous lecture, we have studied inequalities, Wavy curve method. In this particular part, we are going to discuss or we are going to solve problems based on the same, right? Thoda sa, we'll go for advanced problems as well, and thoda sa like different problems we are going to solve, which I have already added, I guess, in the previous video itself. Yes. Let's get started without wasting any time. Yes, I hope you have solved these problems, you have attempted these problems. If any doubts, you can clarify here, right? Yes, let's get started. Now, sir, here in this question, they're asking set of values of x. Sir, you have told how to solve quadratic inequality, but this is square of quadratic we are having it over here, biquadratic inequality. But some similarities we are having over here. So what I'll be doing, in this question, we are having x square minus 4x plus 1. Let's say I'm assuming it as p. So that quadratic expression, or that will become p square plus p minus 2 less than equal to 0. Okay, if I'm factorizing it, p square, p can be written as 2p minus 2 less than equal to 0. Okay, so we'll be getting p plus 2 into p minus 1 less than equal to 0. Okay, so according to the wavy curve, instead of wavy curve, you people are directly knowing what to do, right? We are having p minus 2, p minus 1, right? So minus or a to b directly will be having the answer. But still, let's say we are using wavy curve. What we are going to plot, will be plotting minus 2 and 1. Next is plus minus plus. What they are asking? Equality, and that too less than. Less than means negative answer. So p belongs to closed minus 2 to 1. Or else I can say p is between minus 2 to 1. That is what we are having first part of the solution. Okay, what is p? We have assumed as it is x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay, it is greater than equal to minus 2 and less than equal to 1. So two cases, and this we need to solve. That means we will be having 2 x square minus 4x plus 1 greater than equal to minus 2 and x square minus 4x plus 1 less than equal to 1. And means we need to take intersection of these two, as I told earlier. We'll get x square minus 4x plus 3 greater than equal to 0. In that case, we'll get x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 greater than equal to 0. You let me know what I'll be getting. X minus 3 into x minus 1 greater than equal to 0. On the number line, I'll be plotting 1 and 3. Plus minus plus. In that case, they are asking plus, means we will be having this solution. X belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 3 to infinity. Yet not finished. Yes, second part. If I'm solving the second part, what I'll be getting? This 1 cancelled out, will get x square minus 4x less than equal to 0. X common out of it, x minus 4 less than equal to 0. On the number line, I'll be plotting 0, 4, plus, minus, plus. Now you people let me know what I'll be getting. Less than means negative sign will be giving us our answer. Equality is also there, so x belongs to 0 to 4. But sir, we need to take end of these two. End means we need to take common part of these two, right? So let's say here I'm drawing the number line. All of you people, please try to focus clearly. Let's say we are drawing the number line. What I'll be getting? So 1 I'll be plotting, then 3 we are plotting here, then 4 we are plotting here, 0 will be somewhere over here. So first one is minus infinity to 1 union 3 to infinity, right? That is what we are having the first part. What is second part? Second part is 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4. So what is the common part between these two? X, we can say it is 0 to 1 and union 3 to 4. This is what we are having final answer for the question. So which of the following options are correct? A and D, right? Multiple correct option type question. So I hope you understood, right? So basically the simple thing is twice or thrice we have used wavy curve method. This square of quadratic given to us. Accordingly we will be solving. I hope it is done. Next, set of values of x for which this quadratic 2x by quadratic greater than 1 by x plus 1. Okay, so you told cross multiplication, it is not possible. Why? Because while doing cross multiplication, we are not knowing we are multiplying it by negative number or positive number. Positive number, if you are multiplying, equality orientation will same. Negative number, if you are multiplying, inequality orientation will reverse. So in that case, what will be the best suited method for this type of question? Okay, we'll see. So basically, let's say we are having 2x by 2. Sir, addition and subtraction, it is not making any difference in the inequality orientation. So what I'll be doing, I will be subtracting 1 by x plus 1 from each side. So on the right side, left side will be having minus 1 by x plus 1. On the right side will get 0. Or else this part I have taken on the other side. LCM, what I'll be getting? 2x square plus 5x plus 2 into x plus 1. Here, let's say we are factorizing this also. 2x square plus 5x plus 2. What I can write it as? 2x square plus 4x plus x plus 2. What I'll be getting? Tell me. 2x if we are taking common. So 2x plus 1 into x plus 2. This is what we are having the factor of the same. Right? We'll be using it later on. Now, LCM if we are taking 2x into x plus 1, we'll be getting 2x square plus 2x minus 2x square minus 5x minus 2 greater than 0. Here this will be get cancelled out. Yeah. Now what I'll be having? Minus 3x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 into x plus 2 greater than 0. Sir, problem is here x coefficient is negative, so directly wavy curve method if you are applying, we'll be getting some incorrect answer. So let's say if we are multiplying it by minus, we'll get 3x minus 3x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 into x plus 2. Both the side if we are multiplying by minus 1, inequality orientation will reversed. Now you people tell me what are the zeros? Zeros, minus 2 by 3, poles, minus 1 by 2 and minus 2. On the number line what I'll be plotting? Minus 2 in the extreme left, right? Then we'll be having what? Which one is greater? Minus 2 by 3, then we'll be having minus half. Next is plus, minus, plus, minus. What they are asking for? Less than 0 means we need to take minus, right? Means we'll be having x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 2 by 3 to minus 1 by 2. Am I correct? This is 0.5 and this is what? Minus 0.5 and minus 6.66, right? So for obvious reason this will be in the left. So we'll be getting what? Minus 2 by 3 to minus 1 by 2. This is what we'll be getting. I guess ये option जो है, it is incorrectly written over there, right? So A option you can say it is correct, right? Order of the option in D, it is incorrect. Minus 2 by 3 to minus 1 by 2 it must be, right? So you make it correct. Minus 2 by 3 to minus 1 by 2 in that case. Done? That is how we are going to solve the question, right? Typing error hai. We'll sort it out, right? I hope you understood, right? Basic question. The absolute smallest integer x for which inequality is satisfied. Okay. Yes. Sir, x minus 5 by x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 14 greater than 0, right? In that case, we'll be getting x minus 5 by x plus 7 into x minus 2 greater than 0. Zeros, zeros, 5. Poles, minus 7 and 2. On the number line, what I'll be plotting? On the number line, we'll be plotting minus 7, then 2, then 5. From the extreme right, plus, minus, plus, minus. Done? Now you people let me know. Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means plus we need to take. So x belongs to minus 7. Look, strict inequality means we need to use open interval. Right? Minus 7 to minus 2 union 5 to infinity. Right? This is what we are going to get. Now tell me. They are telling like absolute value of smallest integer x for which. Now what is the smallest integer in x? X belongs to. Smallest integer is minus 6. What they are asking for? Absolute value of minus 6. बोले तो magnitude of minus 6, which is nothing but equal to 6, or modulus of minus 6, which is actually equal to what? 6. So answer for this question is 6. Are yes or no? From minus 7, because minus 7 is the smallest one we are knowing, but it is not included. Open interval we are having. So what is the smallest integer in this? Minus 6. They are asking absolute value of minus 6, that is actually equal to what? 6. Yes. So 6 is definitely going to satisfy, and that will be the smallest integral value which is going to satisfy this. Right? Next. Yes, sum of all positive integers in this range. Okay. Sir, here, this part we can clearly say x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, which can be factorized into x minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay. Sir, this part here we can take x square common, so we're left with x minus 3. This part here, okay. Sir, problem is 4 minus x square. If 4 minus x square is there, what I'll be doing, I'll be taking minus common. You'll get x square minus 4. Okay, so minus of x plus 2 into x minus 2 we can write, yes or no? So this entire expression, it is actually x minus 2, x minus 1, x square, x minus 3 minus x plus 2 into x minus 2. X minus 2 here we are already having, so x minus 2 square greater than equal to 0. Now sir, we are having minus ahead, so if we are multiplying by minus, inequality orientation will reverse. So we'll get what? X square, x minus 2 whole square, x minus 1, x minus 3, x plus 2, and it is less than equal to 0. Right? Okay. Next are zeros. Poles we are not having anyway. So from here we'll be getting x equal to 0. From here we'll be getting x equal to 2, 1, 3, minus 2. Even power, sir. At 0 we are having even power. At 2 we are having even power. So I'll be marking star also. Right? On the number line, what I'll be plotting? Plot all these. Right? From the extreme here, this side minus 2. Then we'll be having 0, 1, 2, 3. Star we are having at 0 and 2. Plus, minus. So star sign won't be changing. Then plus, star again, sign won't be changing. Sign won't be changing. So plus. Next will be minus. Now what they are expecting from us? Less than or greater than? Sir, here we'll be checking at the last from where we are solving the question. Yes. So what I'll be having? Less than means minus they are asking for. Minus means this part, this part, this part. We can simply say x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 1 to infinity. Yes, bracket at the end will apply. Okay. Sir, everything is 0, so zeros must be included in the answer. So minus 2 we need to include, 1 to 2, then 2 to 3. Combinedly we can say it is 1 to 3. Union, we excluded 0, so 0 we need to include using curly braces, right? Because x equal to 0 is also satisfying the equation, right? Computing x equal to 0, this value will become 0, 0 multiplied by something 0, so that will be definitely going to satisfy the given equation, isn't it? If it is so, you can simply say, now what they are asking, sum of all positive integers. How many positive integers we are having? Sir, 1, 2, 3, we are having 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 positive integers. Sir, close bracket means 1 and 3 is also included. 0, it is not positive integer. So they are asking sum of all positive integers. Sum kitna ho jayega? 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is actually equal to 6. That is how we are going to solve. Done? All of you, let me know. Yes. One more question for the practice purpose. If you are finding it is fast, you can just reduce the speed, or else you can pause the question and solve by yourself. Right? Okay. Next, we are having x square minus 5x plus 7. Okay. Yes. So for this type of question, factorize. If we are factorizing, what I'll be getting? Least positive integer they are asking for. So you clearly see, everyone, x square minus 5x plus 7. You tell me what is leading coefficient? In quadratic, recently we have studied. A is 1. What is discriminant of this quadratic? B square minus 5 square minus 4 times 1 into 7, which is 25 minus 28, which is minus 3. A positive, D negative, everyone. So quadratic graph will be entirely above x-axis. As we have studied in quadratic, I'll explain again with the other videos also, right? Okay, no problem with that. But for the time being, you need to understand, if A positive, D negative, quadratic is always positive. Okay. Yes. If it is so, that means that this numerator is positive. Now they are telling like this entire value A by B. Let's say numerator is A, denominator is B. A by B is positive. If A by B is positive, everyone, you people tell me. Yes, now we are knowing A is already positive, so B must be also positive. then only a by b will be positive. Tell me. If it is so, in that case you can say minus 2x square plus 3x plus 2. This must be positive, right? If it is positive, everyone, if I'm multiplying inequality by minus sign, so in that case we can say 2x square minus 3x minus 2 must be negative. Inequality orientation will reverse. Okay, in that case, you people help. 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 less than 2x common out of it will get x minus 2. 1 common out of it will get x minus 2 less than 0. We'll get x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 less than 0. What are the zeros we are getting? Minus 1 by 2 from here. If I'm putting it equal to 0, so x equal to minus 1 by 2. And from here we'll be getting x equal to, plot them on number line. Minus 1 by 2, 2. Plus minus plus. What they are expecting from us? Less than 0. In that case, what I can say? Our range will be minus 1 by 2 to 2. Right? Okay. If it is so, now what they are asking? Least positive integer. Least positive. So from minus 1 by 2 to 2, we are having integers as 0 and 1. Out of which is least positive integer? Sir, we are only having one in positive integer, which is 1 itself. So least positive integer which is satisfying this is actually, sir, okay. But we can check also, no? Right? Simply without solving also, if we are not knowing this concept, then also we can solve. So they are asking least positive integer which is satisfying. So what I can do, sir, positive integer means 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll start checking from 1. If I'm putting x equal to 1, everyone, in the given question, what I'll be getting? 1 minus 5 plus 7 divided by minus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Now you people let me know. Numerator is 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 2, 3, which is nothing but equal to 1. Is it set greater than 0? Yes. That means 1 itself is satisfying the given equation. Finished. No need to go further. Right? No need to solve accordingly. Only using the some basic thing that they are asking least positive integer. So I'm starting with the least positive integer. We are knowing that it is 1. So 1 I'm starting with, and 1 itself it is satisfying. That means answer is 1 accordingly. Able to understand, everyone? Tell me till here. You can comment, right? For obvious reason, right? Okay, that's it. This is the question practice part. I'll be giving some more questions to you on the group itself, so that you people can accordingly analyze and solve the questions over there, right? This is about wavy curve method and inequality solving of polynomial by polynomial function. Now, next time, on the next video, we'll be dealing with logarithm and exponential function, right? Logarithmic function and exponential function, properties of logarithm, their graph, and then we will be applying inequalities on logarithm and exponential function as well. Okay, so that is it. Again, see you in the next class, everyone. It is practice session for that, right? I hope you are comfortable with all those things. Thank you. Thank you so much. Right? Basic or small session, but for the practice purpose only, right? That's it, everyone. Thank you.